Good morning. My name is Giovanni Moscoso. I work for Jackson South Hospital in the PACU and ambulatory area. A sacred cow is a belief that an institution upheld for many years without any evidence base to back it up. These types of practices can cause harm to the patient. In fact, some negative effects that the patient can have because of fasting and or are dehydration. If the patient is too dehydrated, in some cases we won't be able to get a good stick or a good IV or a good needle in order for them to be able to get any medicine or anything the doctor has ordered. Usually it's through the IV. If we can't get a good IV, then we won't be able to proceed with the surgery. Um, if the patient is anxious, too anxious, this could prevent the surgery from happening as well. Anxiety, the patient's nervous, their family is making them more anxious, whatever the case may be. But anxiety is a big reason why will cause is caused by dehydration. Um, Nerves and sometimes even just a headache. A headache can cause a patient to be, which could be a cause of dehydration, and that's why the patient won't be able to have the surgery. Sometimes it could just because of a headache because they didn't hydrate the night before. Um, to add more to the negative effects about fasting before surgery, it may cause insulin resistance that can cause a patient to become hypoglycemic, and we don't want that. We don't ever want the patient to become hypoglycemic. Um, there's not evidence based that has proven that eating right before surgery can have effects on the patient. So there's no evidence based practice that's have proven that eating before surgery has harmed the patient. The only evidence that they actually have is there isn't any. There isn't any, especially in patients for knee or hip surgery. In those type of cases, they definitely shouldn't fast. It should be a normal routine thing for them to do. So that's my sacred cow, y'all. Thank you for listening to me. I hope somebody could agree with me. Thanks for watching. Feel free to comment. Have a good day.